Hello, everyone. Welcome in to the break. It is a beautiful Wednesday morning. I'm glad to be back with you guys. Welcome to JRI Cards. And today, we're opening up some good stuff, some good cards, living the life, enjoying life. Man, I'm so happy to be back. We are opening up some great products today. Started off with this Phoenix Mega Pack. We got 5 packs in here, and that's going to 5 of you who have purchased a pack. Super excited to open those up for you guys. We have also got this wild card deck promo gold we are going to be opening for one of you lucky people. And last but not least, we have got the mystery slabs. Super excited to open these all up for you guys today. I say we dive right into it. I appreciate every single one of you who are in this stream right now. Don't forget to like, don't forget to follow, and don't forget to, let the neighborhood know that we are opening up some sick, amazing cards today. Super excited for you guys. Super excited to open these up. Get some nice cards, get some numbers, get some maybe an autograph, get those holos, get those Wenben, Yamas. You know what the deal is. All right. Are we all ready? I say we dive right into it. Man, it is a beautiful day. I got my sunglasses on because we are about to pull some shiny cards. All right. All right, the 5 names who have all got one pack from this box. We got Peter Smith with the first pack. We got Dave Myers in the second pack. We got Tom Bernard in the third pack. We got Maya Burns with the fourth pack. And we got Tory Lanez with that 5th pack. And there they are. One of them's the other direction. Does that mean something? There they are. 10 cards per pack. 5 packs. Who's excited, y'all? Who's excited? I want to see some fire in the chat. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, all right, all right. Let's kick it off. This pack right here is for Mr. Peter Smith. Appreciate you. Let's get something good for you, man. Let's get something good for you. Starting it off with DeMar, John Collins, LeBron James, Jalen Darren, Zach Collins. Let's see some color here now. There you go. First rookie, Jalen Pickett. We got a Temple Man of Scotty Barnes. Color match. There we go. There we go, Peter. We got a Ja Morant on the Paragon. Let's see who this next one is. Markelle Fultz on the blue cracked ice. And Nicholas Batum. And there we go. First pack. That goes to you, Peter Smith. It's a nice color match, Scotty Barnes. Also got a nice rookie in there as well. We will take that. All right. Let's get the vibes up in the chat. Let's get some shout-outs to Wemby. Let's get some... Let's manifest a Wemby here today, guys. Let's do it. All right. Dave. It's your turn, Dave. Here we go now. Second pack here. Dave, I want something good. I want something good for you. I know you're a real supporter. I want something good for you here. All right. Started off with Kelly Olynyk, Karis LeVert, Desmond Bane, Reggie Jackson, Duncan Robinson. There you go. That's a good rookie right there. Derek Lively. All right. See some color here. There you go. Refractor Jermaine O'Neal, you know, for those 2000s NBA lovers right there, Jermaine O'Neal. Rookie of Cam Whitmore on the Instant Phenoms. It's a good card right there. We got a Miles Turner on that cracked ice. And a De'Aaron Fox on the cracked ice as well. There we go. All right, some good rookies there. We also got that Jermaine O'Neal for you, Dave. Some good cards in there. Just going to sleeve up those rookies real quick. All right. And this Jermaine O'Neal on the refractor. All right, I'm feeling a numbered card. I'm feeling a Wemby coming up. I feel it in my bones. Feel it in my heart. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. This next one, Tom Bernard. Here we go, Tom. Appreciate you. Appreciate all the support. Let's get you something good here. Come on. All right, starting off with Patrick Ewing, Clint Capella, Joel Embiid, first game back last night. Glad to see him back on the court. Jalen Brunson, who he faced. D-Wade, all-time assist leader, John Stockton. There's your first rookie, Marcus Sasser. We got a Templeman for the Nuggets, Jokic. That's a nice one. Rookie, Kobe Buffkin. And last card, Jabari Smith on the red cracked ice, which is numbered to 275. There we go, Tom. That's a nice looking card right there. There we go, man. Let's get that sleeved and top loaded for you. That's a good looking card right there on the color match. There we go, man. That's a nice looking card right there. Also got this rookie Kobe Buffkin. Sick looking card right there. Sick looking card. Got that Sasser, Marcus Sasser. And this Temple Run, Nikola Jokic. Nice card. All right, we are on to the fourth pack. This is going to Maya Burns. Appreciate the support, Maya. Let's hope we get you that Wembanyama. All right. Starting it off with Andrew Nembhard for the Pacers, Malachi Branham for the Spurs, Mo Wagner, Sean Kemp for all those supersonic lovers out there, Carmelo Anthony. There we go, rookie Koulibaly for the Wiz. We got a Paragon, and I saw Lakers. LeBron James. There we go. That's a sick looking card right there. All right. Continuing on. I think we got a fade to black here. Of an Anthony Edwards. He's been balling out recently. That's a nice looking card. I think I saw LaMelo Ball. There we go. And a Mike Conley on the blue cracked ice. There we go. Hey, that's a good card right there. Not only you got a fade to black Anthony Edwards, but you got a LeBron James. LeBron James on the Paragon. That's a beautiful, beautiful card right there. Beautiful, beautiful card. And then you got one of the youngest rookies in the class, Koulibaly. Can't complain with that. And just like that, we are onto the last pack of the box. Appreciate all the support. Appreciate all the love in the chat. Like I said, love doing this for you guys. So much fun. Let's keep it going. Tory Lanez, last pack mojo. This is for you. Let's go, guys. Fire in the chat. Fire in the chat. Let's go. Let's get Tory something good here. Starting off with a Sadiq Bey, Nicholas Batum, Trey Jones. Let's get his teammate, Kevon Looney, Jose Alvarado, Jordan Clarkson. All right, we should be getting some rookies here. Of Maxine Prosper for the Mavs. We got a Paragon for the Magic of Paolo. We got Hakeem the Dream Shake, Hakeem Olajuwon. And last card of the box is Shawn Kemp. Two of the greatest players of, well, let's not say my generation, but of my parents' generation. All right. All right. That is the end of the box. I'm going to do a quick breakdown of all the hits that we got. And after that, we're going to get to some big hits. Super excited to see what is in those. All right. Starting it off with Paragon, Paolo, Olivier, Maxine Prosper, rookie. Derek Lively, rookie. Some Mavs rookies right there. Cam Whitmore, Jalen Pickett. There we go. Scotty Barnes on the color match Temple Run. That is a nice looking card, guys. We got the LeBron James on the Paragon. We got a fade to black Anthony Edwards. Sick looking card. Marcus Sasser, rookie. Kobe Buffkin. And this nice refractor Jermaine O'Neal. All right. Appreciate all the support, guys. Love to see it out there. All right. Oh, and I cannot forget about this bad boy right here. Jabari Smith Jr. Numbered to 275. Color match. Beautiful. Love to see that. And that is going to you, Tom. That is going to you. All right. Let's open up this bad boy right here. It seems that Austin 253 has won this. Super excited to see what comes out of here. A lot of good potential to come out of here. Let's see. Good luck. Here we go. All right. It's a rookie. Let's see which rookie it is. It's a quarterback. It is Hendon Hooker. Quarterback. 1 of 1. Bang. Let's go. That's for you, Austin. 1 of 1. Hendon Hooker. That is a beautiful looking card right there. Hendon Hooker. Let's go. That's gonna be a good card in the future. I'll tell you that right now. Hendon Hooker, 1 of 1. On this beautiful queen card design. Hendon Hooker. Right there. 1 of 1. That's a beautiful card right there. Congratulations to you, Austin253. That is getting sent right to you. All right, but we're not done. We are not done. Jimmy. This is for you, Jimmy, right here. The mystery slab. Best of luck to you all. Let's open something. Let's get something good for you right here. I'm going to open it off screen, get it all prepared for you. All right. Best of luck to you, man. All right. We got 1990, 91 Fleer. Ooh, this could be something good here. We got an 8.5 All-Star Karl Malone on the Fleer 90s All-Star. There we go. That's a beautiful card. Beautiful, beautiful card. Karl Malone. Look at that right there. 8.5 Gem Mint. Karl Malone on the 90s All-Stars by Fleer. Beautiful card. Congratulations to you, man. Congratulations. That's a beautiful card right there. And here is number 2. This is going to Jackie V. Jackie, congratulations on the purchase. Wish you all the best luck right here. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Super excited to open this. Here we go. All right, looks like this is going to be in a hard case. So not graded, but hey, that does not mean anything less. Still some heat in here. Let's get it. We got Panini Prism. We got a rookie. Bang! Victor Wembanyama. Rookie Prism. Rookie draft picks. Victor Wembanyama still in his France uniform. That's a beautiful card right there. Beautiful, beautiful card. Congratulations to you. That is amazing. Beautiful card. Looks in very good condition. As we can open it up right here. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful card right there. All right. All right, guys. That is the end of the stream. Hope you had fun. I had loads of fun opening, ripping for you. Man, I could do this every day. I wish I could do this every day with you guys. Love doing this. Love all the support that you guys give to JRI Cards. We hope to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are doing another massive break. It's going to be a lot of fun. Hope to see you all there. And once again, I appreciate all the love and support that you give to us at JRI Cards. We will see you tomorrow. Peace out. This has been Tommy with JRI Cards. Can't wait to see you again. Peace.